Today we will study the preparation of alcohols from the Grignard reagent, because the remaining method I have done and the only one process I have left. It is preparation. It is the preparation method of the preparation of alcohol from the Grignard reagent. This is the third process from Grignard reagent. What is Grignard? Grignard, it is a organometallic halides. Organometallic halides are known as Grignard. In this reaction, in this process, carbonyl react with the Grignard reagent. What is the formula of Grignard reagent? RMgX. To first convert into the intermediate, which is the additional product, and it is also known as the adduct, and then it convert into the alcohol by a hydrolysis process. So this is adduct. It is the additional product. When the carbonyl react with the Grignard reagent, it form the adduct. It is the additional product of the carbonyl and the Grignard reagent, and after the hydrolysis of this adduct, it is convert into the alcohol and the magnesium halide hydroxide. So this is the process of preparation of alcohol from the Grignard reagent. We will apply this process on aldehyde and the ketones. First we take an example of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde reacts with the Grignard reagent and convert into the, first it convert into the adduct. It is R. It is adduct, and this adduct, when hydrolyzed, it convert into the alcohol. It is a primary alcohol. Okay, primary alcohol. It means from the formaldehyde we obtain the alcohol. It is primary alcohol. And when we apply the higher member of aldehyde, then we obtain the secondary and the tertiary alcohol. Like it is high member of aldehyde homologous series, it reacts with the Grignard reagent and form the secondary. First it form the adduct. It is an intermediate, and when it is hydrolyzed, it form the secondary alcohol. Okay. Now, next, when the Grignard, what happen when Grignard reagent react with the ketones? Ketones, its symbol is RCOR, and it react with the Grignard reagent. It form the adduct. It is, there are 3 alkyl radical attached with the carbon atom, and this is the, and this additional product from the hydrolysis, it convert into the tertiary alcohols. So this is the preparation method of the alcohol from the from Grignard reagent. In next lecture, we will study the preparation method of phenol. Thank you.